I had a question about creating the Visual Studio assignment, and the student noticed that it was done in Visual Basic instead of C Sharp, and so I thought that this would be a good opportunity to make a short little video. Um, so when we first launched Visual Studio 2019, I get this menu here, and I usually go continue without code. And once I'm here, then I will do my file new. So I'll do a file, new, project. So again, that's file, new, project. This brings up this create new project dialog box. You need to make sure that you choose ASP.NET Web Application, and it should say C# right here. Right here in this drop-down box are the languages that you can choose from, and you need to make sure that it says C# right there. If it says Visual Basic there, then you're not going to load the correct project. So you need this to say C#. And then you also need to make sure that you do not choose the core. If it says core in it, do not choose it. You need to scroll down and find the one that says ASP.NET Web Application, C#, and then click Next. Now, if you accidentally, if you've gone through this Create New Project and you chose Visual Basic, maybe not knowing that it was chosen, that was just what was selected and you're just now realizing it, you need to start over. You need to just close that out, go back, do File, New Project, make sure you choose ASP.NET Web Application, ASP.NET Web Application, C#, and hit Next. And then you can name your assignment here. You can choose where to put it. I always put mine on the desktop, a local spot that's easy for me to find, and then from there I can copy it to my local storage as well as the web server, and then hit Create. Always start with empty. Web Forms will put some extra files in there for you. There's no need to start with that. Just start with empty, and then we'll do a right-click Add New each time. So just choose empty, hit Create. Thinking about it. So now it's loaded the assignment here. And so one of the questions was, well, I can't find my .cs, my .aspx.cs. Well, if you had Visual Basic chosen, then no, you would not find a .aspx.cs. So over here in my Solution Explorer, I'm going to right-click, and I went through, in another video, I went through being able to find and dock Solution Explorer, so if you haven't watched that video, you need to watch it. So do right-click, Add New Item. I'm going to add a web form, just a plain web form. I'm going to change the name at the bottom, index.axpx, hit Add. It will appear over here in my Solution Explorer. When I expand that, there is my .cs, my index.aspx.cs. And so again, if you had the wrong language chosen, you're not going to see a .cs because it's going to be some other language. And you will need to go back and do File, New Project, and make sure that you choose C# as your starting language. So hopefully that helps to anyone that's not seeing their C# code behind.